Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Children, how many of you like to do the activity? Children, how many of you like to do the activity with the words? To do the activity with the words. Here comes a unscramble the words. Unscramble the words. What is mean by unscramble? What is unscramble? Here we have different kinds of words. Okay. Here we have different kinds of words with the wrong spelling. Okay children. We have to arrange the letters to make a correct word. To make a correct word. Shall we do this activity? Yes. What is the first one? E-S-O-N. E-S-O-N. Okay children. Shall I give you the clue? Yes. First clue is it starts with the letter N. It starts with the letter N. Second clue is you can smell with the help of this. Second clue is you can smell with the help of this. Okay, shall we check the answer? The first answer is nose. The first answer is nose. What is the spelling for nose? N-O-S-E, nose. Okay children. Next second one, N-E-C-L-A. N-E-C-L-A. Children, it starts with the letter C. It starts with the letter C. Second clue is, you like to be clean or clumsy? You like to be clean or clumsy? Okay. Children, the second answer is clean. The second answer is clean. What is the spelling for clean? C-L-E-A-N. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Okay, shall we move to the next one? N-K-I-S. N-K-I-S. Children, first clue is start with the letter S. First clue is it start with the letter S. And second clue is one of our sense organs. Is one of our sense organs. Okay, shall we check the answer now? The third answer is skin. The third answer is skin. What is the spelling for skin? S-K-I-N, skin. S-K-I-N, skin. Shall we move to the next one? Fourth one, S-E-R-G-N-I-F. S-E-R-G-N-I-F. Children, the first clue is it starts with the letter F and N with the letter S. Okay, it starts with the letter F and N with the letter S. And second clue is it is in both of your hands. It is in both of your hands. Okay. The fourth one answer is fingers. The fourth one answer is fingers. What is the spelling for fingers? F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Okay children. Shall we move to the next one? Fifth one. E-E-F-T. E-E-F-T. Children, the first clue is is start with the letter F. It start with the letter F. Second clue is one of the body parts. Is one of the body part. Okay, children. The fifth one answer is feet. Fifth one answer is feet. What is the spelling for feet? F-E-E-T. Feet. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Sixth one. T-A-H-I-B. T-A-H-I-B. Children, first clue is it start with the letter H. It start with the letter H. And second clue, if you are practicing something regularly, what is it? For example, prayer, having breakfast, brushing, etc. What we call it as? What we call it as? Yes. The sixth one answer is habit. The sixth one answer is habit. What is the spelling for habit? H-A-B-I-T. Habit. H-A-B-I-T. Habit. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Or S-A-E. Or S-A-E. Children, the first clue is start with the letter E. Start with the letter E. Second one, it helps to hear nice music. It helps to hear nice music. Okay. The seventh one answer is ears. The seventh one answer is ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Eighth one. G-E-U-N-O-T. G-E-U-N-O-T. Children, the first clue is it start with the letter T. It start with the letter T. And second clue is it helps to taste the food. It helps to taste the food. Okay, children, the eighth one answer is tongue. What is the spelling for tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Ninth one. S-E-Y-E. S-E-Y-E. Children, ninth one first clue is it start with the letter E. Okay, it start with the letter E. It helps to see our surroundings. It helps to see our surrounding. Okay. The ninth one answer is eyes. Okay. The ninth one answer is eyes. What is the spelling for eyes? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Shall we move to the next one? Last one. 10th one. G-E-L-S. G-E-L-S. Children, it start with the letter L. It start with the letter L. Next clue is it helps to move from one place to another place. It helps to move from one place to another place. And third clue is one of our body parts. Is one of our body parts. Is one of our body parts. What is the answer? Yes. The 10th one answer is legs. The 10th one answer is legs. Children, I hope everyone did correctly. Clap yourself, clap yourself. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, children. You are a very good children. Okay. Match the following. Okay, children. Match the following. What is the first one? Children, you remember the question number 1. Okay, you remember the question number 1. The same thing The same thing is here. Okay, the same thing is here. Now it is your turn. You can do it. You can do it now and cross check the answer with me. Okay, children? Cross check the answer with me. Shall we start now? Yes. What is the first one, children? Yes. Ice. What is the first one? Ice. Okay. Second one, nose. Second one, nose. Third one, ears. Third one, ears. Fourth one, tongue. Fourth one, tongue. Fifth one, skin. Fifth one, skin. Children, shall we check the answer now? Yes. Okay. First one, eyes. Eyes to see. Okay. Eyes to see. Next, second one, nose to smell. Nose to smell. Third one, ears to hear. Third one, ears to hear. Fourth one, tongue to taste. Fourth one, tongue to taste. And fifth one, skin to feel. Okay. Fifth one, skin to feel. Children, I hope everyone did correctly. Clap yourself, clap yourself. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, children. Children, shall we learn the spelling? Shall we learn the spelling? Okay, children, repeat after me. Okay, word wizard. Okay, children, what is the first one? Mother. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Second one, father. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Okay, children. Third one, brother. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Brother. Okay, children. Fourth one, sister. Sister. S-I-S-T-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-R. Sister. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Fifth one, friend. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Okay. Sixth one, relatives. Relatives. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S. Relatives. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S. Relatives. Yes. Seventh one, body. B-O-D-Y. Body. B-O-D-Y. Body. Okay. Eighth one, eyebrows. Eyebrows. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S. Eyebrows. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Hair. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Tenth one, nose. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Shall we move to the next one? Ears. 11th one, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. 12th one, mouth. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. 13th one, neck. Neck. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. 14th one, fingers. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. 15th one, arms. Arms. A-R-M-S, arms. A-R-M-S, arms. Okay. 16th one, legs. Legs. L-E-G-S, legs. L-E-G-S, legs. 17th one, feet. 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 F-E-E-T, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. 18th one, soft. Soft. S-O-F-T, soft. S-O-F-T, soft. 19th one, hard. Hard. H-A-R-D, hard. H-A-R-D, hard. 20th one, talent. Talent. T-A-L-E-N-T, talent. Twenty-first one, healthy. 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 H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. 22nd, energized. Energized. E-N-E-R-G-I-S-E-D, energized. Energized. Okay, children. Next one, safe. Safe. S-A-F-E, safe. S-A-F-E, safe. Next one, exercise. 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 E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Next one, clean. Clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Next one, respect. Respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect. Okay, children. 27th, unique. Unique. U-N-I-Q-U-E, unique. 28th, world. 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 W-O-R-L-D, world. 29th, skills. 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 S-K-I-L-L-S, skills. 13th one, share. Share. S-H-A-R-E, share. S-H-A-R-E, share. Children, practice the word wizard in your home. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hand with hand sanitizer, eat healthy foods, drink plenty of water and use restroom often. Thank you, children.